Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. My name is Jonathan Davidson. I'm the managing partner at Davidson & Co, law firm here in Dubai. Hopefully if you've seen some of our recent vlogs on issues such as force majeure, the COVID situation here in Dubai, and also my recent vlog about the court system. Today I'd like to talk quite briefly about a hot topic here in Dubai. We as a firm act for many restaurateurs and brand owners and franchise owners. And they've been having a tough time because of the lockdown and the COVID situation. They've been juggling between restaurant sittings and bistro sittings and bar sittings and home delivery, etc. Many of them are struggling with rental situations and are in discussions with landlords. And today I'd like to maybe give a few tips as to how those tenants, those restaurateurs and bar owners might address their negotiations with the landlord. We as a firm, myself in particular, we have a lot of experience dealing in the food and beverage sector, hotel and hospitality here in the UAE. Most recently, as I just mentioned, the hot topic has been tenant situations. So we are advising a lot of large tenants who have restaurant chains and have franchise situations or takeaways or delivery food products. And they're in a situation where they're looking for a little bit of commercial reality from their landlords to renegotiate positions vis-a-vis their lease and basically to share in the COVID situation. Now, obviously landlords have a situation where they have a contractual arrangement and they feel that legally that arrangement needs to be honoured, but reality sets in and a negotiation needs to take place. What we are experiencing as a firm is that landlords here in the United Arab Emirates comprise large corporate landlords, family offices, individual unit landlords, a whole spectrum and a whole gambit of landlords in terms of their commercial size and their commercial power. But what we have found on behalf of our tenant clients is that the landlords are willing to be reasonable, they are willing to have a conversation, and each of them, dependent upon their size and their buying power, will have a position that they have come to based on their own metrics that they can live with in terms of working commercially with their tenant partners. Now that may look like a rental window, it may look like reverting from strict rent to a revenue share model for a few months. It may look at furloughing rent or reducing rent, but certainly what we're finding here as a firm is that 90% of the landlords who we're dealing with on behalf of our clients are willing to negotiate and are willing to show sympathy to the tenants to let them trade through these difficult times. So we're advising our clients how to negotiate with the landlords. We're taking a view with our clients on what the landlords are looking to achieve, how they can help our tenants in terms of the concessions that they can give. And as a law firm, obviously we have in our armory the ability to advise our clients on whether a commercial arrangement works, whether it's worth accepting, whether it's worth negotiating harder, or whether it's worth looking at some of the ultimatums which a tenant can look at, which is the rental disputes committee, or ultimately worst case scenario, an administrative or insolvency situation. But that is very much the worst case. Certainly in 95+% of the situations that we're dealing with, the landlords are being reasonable, they're negotiating hard, but they are negotiating. So certainly I would say, if you are achieving a good position with your landlord, please pursue it. If you're finding that the landlord needs a bit of a push or there's some negotiation to be had, or you need a law firm on your shoulder to help you through that situation, needless to say, give us a call. It's davidsoncollaw.com. We're here, we've lots of experience in this area, and get in touch with one of our guys and we can have a meeting, have a chat, and we can help work through this situation with you.